Hello everyone. In this video, we have the next case study, that is case study 4, which is from the chapter Areas Related to Circles. Here we are going to talk about wrestling mat. So one such wrestling mat is given here in the question with the dimensions. And this wrestling mat which is used in a match is 12 meter into 12 meter square, and it has circle C2 of 9 meter diameter at the center, and inside the 9 meter diameter circle is a red band of width 1 meter. And then we have the circle C1 which outlines the wrestling area, the central wrestling area, and has diameter 7 meter. And exactly in the center we have a black circle of radius 0.5 meter. So all these circles having same center, that is the circle that has been filled with black color, then circle C1 and C2 as marked in the figure. So the area beyond the passivity zone, which is in red, is the protection zone. And we have these dimensions for the wrestling mat, and let us just analyze it with the particular dimensions that are required according to the shapes which are involved in it. One is the square, which is side of square is 12 meter. Then there is one outer radius, that is C2, which is half of 9 meter, which has been the diameter of C2, so it is 4.5 meter. Then there is inner circle with diameter 7 meter, thus its radius being 3.5 meter. And the radius of the black circle, which is at the center, is 0.5 meter. So we have questions related to it. It says the area of the red zone or the passivity zone here is, we are talking about the red zone, which also represents a ring. So that means we are supposed to find the area of the ring knowing its outer as well as inner radii. If we know the outer radii, the inner radii, we'll be able to do the calculation. So we know the outer radii is 4.5 meter and inner is 3.5 meter. Hence, we have the area of red zone or the passivity zone as the area of ring, which is pi r square minus r square. That is the radius of the outer circle square minus radius of the inner circle square, which is like pi 4.5 square minus 3.5 square. So easily we can calculate using a square minus b square, and we have answer as 8 pi square meters. Now let us move on to the second one, which says what fraction of the central wrestling area is the area of black circle. That means we are supposed to find the area of black circle as well as the area of the central wrestling circle, and then we are have to decide what fraction of the total wrestling central wrestling area is the area of the black circle. So for the same, we will be calculating the areas. For black circle, the radius being 0.5 meter, and for the central wrestling area, the radius is 3.5 meter. So the area of circle is pi radius square, and hence on comparison of their areas, we have area of black circle as 1/49th part of the area of central wrestling area, which has been marked whose outline has been marked by the circle C1. So let's move on to the next one. The next question that is related to the wrestling mat is when we are supposed to talk about the not only the areas that we have been talking about, now the circumferences. So C1 and C2 are two concentric circles that form the red zone. How much more is the circumference of circle C2 than that of C1? So simply for this question, we will be calculating the circumferences, that is the circumference of circle C2 and C1, that by using the formula 2 pi r, where we will take outer radius in the case of circle C2, that is 4.5 meter, and the inner radius in the case of circle C1, that is equal to 3.5 meter. And since it is asking how much more, that means we are actually supposed to find the difference of the two. So here I have calculated the difference by using outer radius 4.5 meter, inner radius 3.5 meter as discussed. So the difference is 2 pi r minus 2 pi small r, that is we have as 2 pi meter, which is the difference of the two circumferences of the circle, that is circles that have been marked as C2 and C1 in the wrestling mat. Now let's move on to the next one, which says which of the following is the area of the protection zone. As given in the description of the wrestling mat, it said that the area beyond the passivity zone, which is a part of the square, is the protection zone. So to calculate that area, we should know the total dimension of the wrestling mat, the total area in fact of the wrestling mat, and from that we will be subtracting the area of circle C2 to get the protection zone. So area of protection zone is like area of square minus the area of circle C2. So it is side square minus pi r square, here the radius being 4.5 meter. So we don't have to do the total calculation over here, because we quickly get the correct answer as has been marked given as an option in the multiple choices. So we have 144 minus 20.25 meter square. Now last one is, if after winning a match the wrestler runs 2 times along the outer circle of passivity zone, that is circle C2, then the distance he covers. So we have to think about the distance that the wrestler covers in one that is round. While taking one round on circle C2, the total distance covered is the circumference. So for 2 rounds it will be like 2 into the circumference, which is 2 into 2 pi r. Here again r being 4.5, so the answer is 18 pi meters. We don't have to do the calculation by putting the value of pi, since all the options given are in the terms of pi. So quickly we can do the calculations and find the distance that has been covered by the wrestler.